Hi, this is Chris with Parkerville Wood Products. I'm coming to you from my home. Why? Because I'm a woodworker just like you. And I have some exciting news. Parkerville Wood Products can now be a resource for you that are making river tables, epoxy projects, things of that nature. We are carrying the ingredients, so to speak. So we have System 3 resins, we have pigments, we have sheathing tapes, we have release sprays, and we have the materials you need to create your molds. So very much like this piece right here that's about 60 inches in diameter. It's round. It was cut on our CNC machine. So that's another benefit that we offer with our resources and our machinery back at Parkerville is that if you need a slab flattened, we can do that on our CNC. If you need your project flattened or belt sanded after it's all finished, we can do that on our belt sander or CNC machine. And also, I know some of these products and so forth are available online. However, we're actually making these things. You know, we're not just a retailer. So hopefully we bring value to you so that, you know, if it's $1 more or $2 more, that we become your one-stop shop. Pick up your wood, pick up your ingredients, use us for our services because that's what we bring to you. And we're also going to bring you projects that are in progress. So we'll be posting those regularly. And I hope you come down and see us. We have 20 or so employees that have hundreds of years collectively of woodworking experience, and we're happy to share that experience with you. So once again, we bring value added. So come on down to Parkerville in Manchester, and we'll see you soon.